The plant grows from the seed like this. While I'm showing you this,
how did you do, everyone? I gratify you in our session. I know we all are very curious to know the nature's way of gardening. So today we discuss about the seed germination. What is seed germination? Seed germination means a big plant grows from a small plant. The small seed first grows to a small plant and then slowly it grows bigger. So when the seed sprouts, it is known as seedling. Seedling soon becomes a fully grown plant and slowly it becomes a big tree where we can have the rest and it give shadow and cool breeze oxygen to us. So we all know that the trees take in carbon dioxide and carry out oxygen during the daytime only when they are photosynthesis. But at night we give the message to everyone that nobody sit near the tree or under the tree at night, because there is a small reason. Because at night trees gives us carbon dioxide, which is very harmful for us. At the night they inhale oxygen and carry out carbon dioxide. So there are 5 conditions. First is weather. First, seeds depend on the weather, how they have to grow. Whether they have to grow in the sunny weather, whether they have to grow in the cold, hot, summer, winter, in any kind of situation. Season depend upon the season and depend on the climate. It needs more water during rain, it needs less water, so it can become in the summer, it can become in the moderate rainy season. Okay. And next, it depends upon the moisture. So moisture means the plant needs low moisture or the high moisture, means it needs more water or less water. So the third condition is the sunlight. So a plant need more sunlight or less sunlight. Whether the plant needs sunny full sunlight or the direct sunlight. If we will give any plant is there, if it will inhale or it will having the direct sunlight more than in the summer, so it will think that I will get so shrinked during the summer, because in the summer the plant needs more water. So a plant always need a sunny weather, moderate moisturizer and direct sunlight for little time. Fourth reason is temperature. A plant needs low temperature, high temperature or the moderate one. So it depends all upon the temperature, sunlight, moisture and the climate. Last but the least, the fifth one is soil. There are 2 types of soil, whether the soil is fertile or the soil is non-fertile. What is fertile soil? Fertile soil means it is full of compost. We can't say maximum compost we can fill in the soil. No, moderate soil. The soil, compost, both we will mix them and then the soil become fertile. Simple soil is there is no compost, only the mud and stones, little bit there, or the sticky thorns, only these kind of things. This is not the proper fertile soil. So we are having the proper fertile soil is where we are having the compost in it. So we are coming to our seed germination. At the first very step is seed. When we have to plant a seed, we always have to plant the seed only ½ inch down in the soil. In the second, I'm going to show you the seed. It is the total seed which we have to plant. At first stage, it is like this. There is no embryo is inside. There is no plant grown. You can watch it carefully on the whole round, only round. There is no plant outside. So the second step is this. In the second step, when it will take the moisture from the soil, then it will open like this. A seed will open when it will take the moisturize, and there is embryo inside like this. When it will have the sunlight, it will grow little bit embryo inside like this. When the seed will open, I'm going to show you with my sunlight here. Here is our embryo. This is internal part is fully filled with the moisture, and it is sucking the cotyledons, means all the nutrients from the water. So we are coming to our next stage. Next stage is when the plant grows from the seed like this. Why I'm showing you this practically seedlings? Because I had make the seeds wet in the water so that it sprouts like these. If we will eat these kind of sprouts, these are very healthy for us. So that's why maximally when we are going to the nurseries to take the seeds or the plants, they will look like this. These are known as seedlings because a plant had grown from the inside when this direct sunlight will come here. So when the fully sunlight is coming on it, the plant grow out from the soil in the third stage. Next, in the fourth stage, it will grow little bit up, and finally when it took all the moisture, sunlight, climate, everything, when it will get, then soon the small plant became to the big plant. So this is what all the seed germination process. A small plant become a big full grown plant. So you can do a little bit activity at your home also, like you have to take few of the seeds, take a glass of water, put it in that all the seeds, then keep it for a day. After a day, when the next day you will see the sprouts will come out from the seeds. Seeds will sprout like this. Small plant will grow from it. Then we have to take the soil and ½ inch down, half finger. We can dip the half finger down in the soil, then put our seed and cover it from the whole sides. Then give a little bit water to it, and daily we have to water the plant. Not too much water, we have to spray it as much as that need. Slowly when the sunlight will come, and then it will grow to the plant. Slowly it will become the big. So thank you. This is the process of seed germination.